Today we are going to install ArgoCD. Cool. So here you can see ArgoCD. Its title is Declarative GitOps. CD means container CI/CD, just like continuous delivery for Kubernetes. So GitOps, what is GitOps? GitOps is basically the GitHub operations, just like you do git push and then basically commit and put, and then ops. Fetch is also automatic fetch is there also in the GitOps. Yeah, so all the operations related to GitHub, this ArgoCD handles that. Cool. Okay. And this is the official website which we are going to see. There are different pods are running, right? So these pods we are going to create ourselves, and we are going to see and log in into ArgoCD on our local. Why ArgoCD? Application definitions, configurations, and environment should be declarative, and version control, application deployment and life cycle. So here you can see for starting this ArgoCD, we have to install kubectl, create namespace. So first part we have to do, go to the kubectl, and just in Mac it is pre-install kubectl, which I had done, but you can install kubectl for local system. You can install. Must created this one. Where is, yeah, this command kubectl namespace ArgoCD. So it creates a namespace with name ArgoCD. So here you can see, when I run kubectl get config get context, so it is showing we have a default namespace for minikube. Now we have created ArgoCD. Let me run this command again to see if we have minikube or not. Okay, it is default is only, there is only one cube cluster, minikube cluster, which is minikube, and our namespace is not showing. I think it's not a big deal, it's okay. So here is the ArgoCD running, and here is ChatGPT. Both are side by side, which is great. Now go to open browser, localhost. Till here we are root, and login credential is admin, and password, run password admin ArgoCD. You can see data password base64. So let me enter the admin password, which is admin, and run kubectl. This is our password going to be. Copy and paste into UI. So let me run this one. Yeah, so you can see here this command we need to write. Let me write it actually in notes so that I cannot forget it for future. Okay, so here are the commands. So let me write this command, which is good. ArgoCD. Awesome.